Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Ideaplex, where we dive deep into the latest tech and innovation. Today, we're looking at Topview AI, an AI-powered tool designed to simplify video creation. Ever spent hours editing a video creation only to realize you're barely halfway done? Video creation can be a way to cut down on those hours and still produce top-notch content. Topview AI is essentially an AI-powered video editor that takes the grunt work out of the process. Imagine this. You have a product, a blog post, or even just a random website you want to showcase. Feed it into Topview and boom, you get a professional-looking video with scripts, storyboards, and even voiceovers, all generated by the magic of AI. Think of it as your very own AI video assistant, available 24/7 to make sure your content creation process stays smooth and efficient. Imagine you're working on a marketing video and need quick transitions, captions, or even visual enhancements. Instead of jumping between software, Topview AI claims it can handle it all within a single platform, bringing various features together for both beginner and pros. Okay, so you have a spark of an idea, but no script or storyboard? No problem. Topview uses AI to analyze your source material, whether it's a website URL or uploaded media, and generates a compelling script and storyboard to keep your video on track. It's like having a built-in brainstorming buddy. One of the standout features of Topview editing for anyone who struggles with timelines, layers, and all those tiny editing details, this tool promises to amplify things. Let's say you want to add seamless transitions or adjust spacing without having to manually cut and trim everything. The AI handles it for you. In a few clicks, your video can have that polished, professional look. This is where things get really cool. Topview analyzes your footage and automatically selects the best parts, cutting out those awkward pauses or unnecessary B-roll. It's like having a robot editor with superhuman focus. Topview can analyze the conversations and identify the golden nuggets that will keep your audience engaged. Not a fan of being in front of the camera? No worries. Topview offers AI-generated voiceovers and avatars that can narrate your video for you. It's like having a team of digital voice actors and a character creator at your disposal. Another cool feature is scene and visual enhancement. Sometimes lighting and colors just don't pop the way you want them to. Topview's AI text areas in need of improvement and automatically enhances brightness, contrast, or color balance. This is a huge benefit for creators looking to produce high-quality visuals without expensive equipment or long editing hours. Captions are essential in today's content world, especially if you want to reach a wider audience. Topview AI includes an automatic caption generator that's surprisingly accurate. Just imagine how much time you could save by skipping manual captioning. Plus, it's customizable. You can change fonts, styles, or colors to match your brand, making it ideal for businesses, social media influencers, and educators alike. Now, before we get carried away on a flight of AI-powered creativity, let's address the beauty of video editing is expressing your unique vision. While Topview suggestions are fantastic starting points, you might need to tweak the script or edit the footage further to fully capture your style. All in all, these are manageable limitations, especially if you're looking for quick and efficient way to solve problems. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to topview.ai. You can find the link in the description below. You'll be greeted with a clean and simple homepage. Just click the sign up button at the top right and you'll have two main options: using your email or a quick social login like Google. Creating an account is straightforward. And the best part, Topview offers a free trial to help you get started without any commitment. This is a great opportunity to test the platform's features and see if it's right for you. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and it's here you'll find everything neatly organized. There's an overview of your projects, recent edits, and access to Topview core features. It's designed to help you get right into creating without a steep learning curve, which is a big plus. However, Topview does offer a help section with tutorials, which makes that learning curve a bit smoother. AI extracts insights from YouTube and TikTok ads library to generate high-performing video ads. Just one click with Topview AI Video Editor. Topview AI, a tool that takes the hassle out of video editing with powerful AI automation. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just looking for an easier way to make videos, Topview has some serious potential. From automated editing to visual enhancements, it's clear this platform was designed to simplify the process. So, is Topview AI the ultimate video editing solution? Well, it depends. If you're a busy content creator looking for an efficient way to generate ideas and build professional-looking videos, Topview is definitely worth checking out. It's a fantastic tool for streamlining your workflow and unleashing your creativity. Now, let's talk about the cost of this AI-powered video magic. Topview AI offers a very sufficient plan to suit efficiently draw an amazing video. Topview is definitely worth checking it, the top-named cloud ID platform to narrative and library kind of professional, unique mobile resume. Now, they have options for individuals, small businesses, and even large enterprises. Basic plan is perfect for beginners and offers essential features like script generation, storyboard creation, and basic editing tools. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of AI video editing. Standard plan is ideal for content creators and small businesses. It includes advanced features like AI-powered voiceovers, custom branding, and a higher video export limit. While the exact pricing may vary, it's important to note that Topview AI offers flexible pricing plans and often has special deals and promotions. So be sure to check their website for the most up-to-date information. What's your take on AI in content creation? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Ideaplex, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the latest tech. Ready to see if Topview AI can elevate your content? Check it out for yourself. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.